Yeah. It's rich. Look. I switch lanes for those that study my game. They gave opponents all my secrets, now ain't nothing the same. I fed a bunch of you rappers, tried to crumble my name. Sunny skies turn black clouds, it just conjure my rain. King is what they called me, incarceration they starred me. The flow when Charles Barkley made man, that's how they marked me. The white version of Hova, to treat my projects like Marcy. When I travel this road to riches, baby, hand me the car keys. Let's ride, but buckle up, rough roads is coming up. And I don't want you to lose your life over a couple bumps. Hey, they couldn't take a hit out on me with a sucker punch. If I ain't numero uno, then I must be runner up. Rich, living legend, supplier within my section. Go to Starbucks for dinner and Chick-fil-A for breakfast. The blessings, I'm still here to answer all of your questions. Speaking parables like I'm Jesus, you get the message. If God number is 7, then I'm funding 7 streets with 7 years over my head. What does that make me? God's child, peep the lost files. Those were just my extras, but in 9 or 10 years they probably make them the best. If I turn trash to classic like water to wine. Ideas I can't create yet what tortures my mind. Having nothing all of our life is what forces us in crime. Best way to see you with pounders, turn a quarter to dimes. Build up, stack and fill up, you gotta have patience. But remember, the only thing free now, modern day Masons. The snitching gotten contagious, this must be a disease. This the biggest epidemic we done seen in the streets. I mean, whoa, it's hard to trust somebody again. They put the Loch Ness in the water that we gotten to swim. So as soon as it goes down, I hope that we don't drown. A wave of indictments came, hard to stay afloat now. Still I am who I am, and it ain't what they say. I been sent you 1,000 bars before they change them today. Shit, hopefully 9 years, my daughters would drop tears. But no matter the outcome, I'm always on top tiers. And if it's not clear, here's what I'm ready to say. Tell Pharrell and Pusha T that I'm the best NBA. I've been doing this since Timberland went MIA. And I don't mean missing in action, he got Florida adapted. I'm the captain of the boat, I tore the horns off the goat. Or maybe I meant the bull, cause bullshit all they wrote. It's a shame to me that Drake's the only one dropping quotes. Ever since Wayne, Dr. Carter, they stopped taking notes. So let me take them to class or they ain't gonna last. This song for every dollar I won't able to flash. These rappers is Brenda's baby, headed straight for the trash. I'm robbing the game blind, I feel my face in a mask. Kapow! Tell me how you like me now. I ain't feel this way since my plug price went down. This bull snap back feeling just like a crown. They keep screaming this is it, guess I'm Michael now. Rest in peace to the legacy, probably never be where they say that I'm supposed to be. But they respect my G, keep it real, I forever be in spots like leprosy, where it's known to get sick, but this tissue ain't meant for sneeze. Bless who? If I bless you, it's only a front. You flow right, then it shouldn't take you over a month. You know the drill, baby boy, bass goes in the trunk. The streets hear you, you get pulled trying to openly stunt. Roll up is what my youngin' keep wanting to do. He wanna stay in the streets, me I want him in school. Say he'll get his GED, and it's probably true. We both came from the bottom and we tired of the view. So it's time to make change like a cashier now. Everybody wanna trap, it ain't no cash here now. I'm cut from a different cloth, I'm talking cashmere now. That's why I'm treating every year like it's my last year now. As soon as the ball drop, I'm making a jaw drop. I gotta put myself on because I know that y'all not. I used to have my hands out until I seen my palm rock. Now I'm pumping like blood in my chest till my heart stop. Bars hot, trying to find me a way like Fall Rock. So much rappers still in style, I might need some more cots. On lock how I keep it, being real's the best secret. I am nothing but the truth, believe in me like Jesus. They double crossed me the same, seen it all in their game. They took dirt from themselves and threw it all on my name. This the price that we pay, it get charged to the game. Now this foreign is too big for him to cross on my lane. Lord, I'm calling your name to come and save me again. I love my enemies more to see this hate from my friends. I miss seeing my OG around the way in that Benz. Free ski, I make it now, you were making it then. I'm on Mount Sinai, looking God in the eye. At the people below, worshiping gold which he despised. Feel like Moses took my people from Egypt and saved their lives. Now they follow the path behind me, but just complain and cry. I might be better by myself. Pootie Tang with the belt, keep me a poker face while I play the hands I was dealt. The block is so hot, up off the porch you might melt. Swimming to these waters, you better be Michael Phelps. Welcome to the Olympics, I carry the torch while sprinting. We all competing for gold, so tell me what is the difference? Master P, no limits, feeling froggy than ribbit. You can't stand the heat, then get the fuck up out the kitchen. We getting rich off prescription, Solomon with the wisdom. Bought my pistol to weave, which means it got some extensions. Treat us like animals and they put us behind them fences. My hustle just like Rocky training for the fight, chase the chicken. Seen it from the beginning, Alpha and the Omega. Live in an evil world, doubt that it's getting better. Stand on couches when they level, we counting up all this cheddar. On the road to El Dorado, I found me the hidden treasures. This the city of gold, cold, where it glisten your soul. We gon' turn you boys to men at the end of the road. My only dog is the dollar in this Richie Rich show. I told you where we was going couple minutes ago, but time waits for no man. Time to go ham, slow dance with the work in the pot. It's romance. The white girl we had want no Lindsay Lohan or Christina Aguilera, but maybe the same mascara. Call us the new era, ahead of the game. I snap back to reality, won't never the same. Shit, I step inside the booth and then I set it to flames, mixing the beat with my vocals like pleasure and pain. It's the best of both worlds, talking Hova and Kales. Feel the rush every time I see the dope on the scale. When the shit hit the fan, you gon' notice the smell. This heater ain't Velveeta, but we loading the shells. You with me? Ride out, palms itch like dry scout. Don't believe curiosity kills, come finds out. These cats got 9 lives, I'm pulling the 9 out. I perform miracles right in front you, so why doubt? Time out from the game is what made your boy smarter. Fiends tell us we made butter like Washington Carver. Turn the projects to the Carter, no choice but grind harder. To the wrong Pookie came and made it hot like Sahara Desert. See me sweating? It'll kill me if I let it. Game used to be sweet, it done turned me diabetic. Ain't no telling where we headed. It's either hell or heaven, but no matter the outcome, my name will live forever. Told me never say never, I say I never will, but I'll be damned if I sit around and wait for a record deal. Keep thinking the police gonna come kill me like Emmett Till, but I guess to know how heaven feel is a blessing still. But I can't change my fate, how I change the pace. Bit more than I can chew from this paper plate. When it's beef nobody eats, but it's steak at stake. My belly rumbles, I'm like meth going state to state. Dolo, me and my polo, feds taking photos, jumping out of photos. Trap jump like a go-go, new faces a no-no. What's Cujo compared to Toto? I feel like Austin Powers, but I never lost my mojo. Oh behave, this the golden age. Feel like I'll be this way until I'm old and gray. No, it's no delay when it's dough at play. Plus I like my suit cut like I'm holding spades. Let's play, I taught my partner how to set the deck. We can go eye for eye since we neck for neck. My rap book, I etch a sketch, more lines than cold habits. Live in a cold world to end up in a cold casket. No rapper out can compete with the king. Me in the ring like Muhammad Ali with the swing. I float like a butterfly and a bee how I sting. They told me that talk is cheap, now my teeth got the bling. You grill like Paul Wall, get smoked like Paul Malls. Feeling just like Jacob, drop jewels on all y'all. You wanna play hardball, knock you out of the park. Call me Noah, them animals whip me out of the ark. We still flood the block cause we must get guap. Remember ducking shots right from up the block. Tuck a Glock on my waist like them fucked up cops, but no backup needed. I just back up squeezing and I still plead the fifth. When they read they scripts, no fingerprints, I reload, then I clean the clip. Used to send shots and then had to bleach our wrists. Now it's trash bags over arms when the beef exists. Be glad it isn't 08, back then we was wildin'. Young boys now they different, they pretend to be violent. I remember being in the elementary grinding. Then we went to middle school and stepped up the gripping tools. I was letting my team eat, thinking the shit was cool. Then I realized they playing the game by different rules. All that we was looking for were 40 acres with the mule. Drugs came, now I keep me a piece like hippies do. Flour brought us power, then our souls got devoured. Arsenal for Mickey D's, Big Macs and quarter pounders. Fish scale flounder, the whole menu was value, but the only difference from us, there was no clowns around us. Told us the world ours like Montana was us. We ain't land on Plymouth Rock, full it landed on us. The system left us in shackles like our handmaids for cuff. They blinded our eyes with paper, so we ran the shit up. The marathon is on, I'm more like King Kong. In this life, come back and forth like ping pong. Yin and yang, there's a balance, do right when you did wrong. Cause when it's your time to go, your story will be told. Keep codes that's unwritten, stay up when the sun didn't. Cut different, off a drug flipping. Goal is 1 million. When my friends disappear, just know that the love didn't. I feel like fuck living, my daughter, she uplifts me. Look death in the face with the coldest demeanor. My only fear was God because I know the procedure to plug. Throw me the reefer so the dope coming cheaper. Go crazy with the 8s like Kobe Adidas. Who am I? Young Richie, I come from the nut city. Afghanistan, my youngins is stuck with me. Friend of bottom, you get $1.50 for $1.50, but you'll tell. Probably send some of them folks to come get me. I swear I seen it before. In the streets I explore, they throwing football numbers, but who's keeping the score? As soon as I touch down, they showing me love now. But when I was cuffed down, I wasn't needed no more. Now we don't speak in the land with ghost creep. Chopper spit like a crackhead talking with no teeth. Ride the city with a light-skinned cat with gold teeth. And we stay up all night for the money. No sleep, insomniatic depression keep me up with the zombies. Riding around with a gun and got a couple of bodies. Paranoid, get disrespected, I'ma fuck up the party. Same beat over and over, DJ Mustard somebody. Look, welcome to the jungle, we got fun and games. I'm talking Guns N' Roses, I love the aim. You got fat while we starve, I felt hunger pains. You catch 3rd-degree burns if you touch this flame. You see the water's boiling, Dope on the stove, fumes so thick in the air to open your nose. Stand amongst it long enough and it'll soak in your clothes. A real trapper, only thing I haven't sold is my soul. But still, he keeps trying to leave me deep frying. And realize when it's speed buying. No time for reclining, I fail and I keep trying. And I smoke my pain away, stuff my heart in a weed grinder. Keep climbing to the top, but it seems so far. We go hard till they take us with the RICO law. Keep talking out your neck like you don't need your jaw. I get wired like Kanye for speaking the wrong way. City like Pompeii, and I felt the fire. The water on those suspicious to melt the wires. Middleman for the plug, I done dealt suppliers. Now the streets is so hot, they'll melt your tires. Streets lights seem bright, but these lopes is tinted. You a hoe just like him because you rollin' with him. I ain't never had beef with a co-defendant. I always kept my mouth closed, I'm never known for snitching. Need my lawyer present or I'm ignoring questions. I'll do 20 years to keep the source protected. Put my life on the line, way before my brethren's. My reputation rock solid, but yours in question. How can you play hard and fold like a straight ball? Can't say it was the pressure, we both had the same charge. Couldn't see it before, I was blind like Ray Charles. You a pacemaker gangster, you got a fake heart. Streets cold as ice, gotta roll the dice. System control your life and it show ain't right. They snatching kids through the TV like poltergeist. The social media too, what are we gonna do? I'm just keeping it cool till the shit hit the fan. Grind till my body tired like the Michelin Man. As soon as it all crash and my head hit the dash, I only pray this airbag is strong enough to last. Call me Rich Porter, my life you can't afford it. In these white Air Forces I could probably walk on water. I laid the foundation, then I used my blood with mortar. Now I'm waiting on my chance like a feather in fin order. Blood been spilled over Jordans, more time than oil. We went from Burnett's to sipping on Crown Royal. But the real pinnacle of my life was being loyal. When they asked the plug's name, I never turned informant. For those that's not aware, feel like they got a pair. Stepping to me, you just playing yourself like solitaire. Run into this Papa Bear, that's gon' get your body teared. Every time I act like this, it get my baby. I'm sorry, apologize, but bullshit I despise. I'm real, they not my kind, be thankful that I'm alive. Cause when you idolize like I am, then plotting eyes just follow your every move. And me, I'm not gon' hide like Trey, they not gon' ride. Most they do, probably cry, throwing punches in the room and won't fight, I'm not surprised. Soon as I arrive, they lay out the red carpet. Attention that I get make me feel like the next target. Now I'm left heartless, love will get you killed. PSA to the streets, selling drugs don't make you real. Think you tough to the barrel of a gun is in your grill. Think baby boy in the park, young and think he got heart. Was stand tall or crumble in the concrete jungle where you was taught to rumble. Your flaws get fumbled, the plug he had weight, I got it off the muscle. Sit where the bosses huddle, don't talk, be humble. Where the dogs ain't muzzled and they walk with no leash. Where we govern ourselves and we don't call the police. My blood pours through the cement, my heart in these streets. Where some go without food and be starving for weeks. Like Ramadan with the cash, I just wanted it fast. We used to make side bets how long the drama would last. I can't remember one thing that I was taught in the class. High school was a school high, I seen it all with two eyes. Till I opened my third, sending dope off the curb. Two things I never give out, emotions and word. When I'm stressed I blow a check and then I roll up the herb. Before the movie when it was beef we would openly purge. Yes sir, the same hand spread love can shed blood. System shaky like a fiend looking for his next buzz. Type of work we had ain't come with a check stub. Soon as you clock in, your job would not end. And this game does not friends, cold world we cop Timbs. As far as the best rappers I gotta be top 10. Owe me money, act funny, they gon' see your top spin. Bruises come with a pistol whip like stock rims. 300 bars in, and I'm just getting started. Shit, 300 bars in, I'm starting to feel like the Spartans. Adam and Eve, and I ate from the tree in the garden. Flow out of this world, I can speak to the Martians. Must be from another planet, they just can't understand it. You can't take these words back, they already done the damage. Pesos like pesos, they think my plug is Spanish. You ain't seeing real money unless it's coming rubber banded. Always was upper handed, wouldn't say that I was. All I see is 30 years in the face of the judge. Both feet nailed to the ground and I ain't able to budge. If you can't take it in stride, come and take it in blood. I was made from the mud, out the dismal swamp. I pray to God every night for him to give me comp. Mike can say the same words, but this a different font. More than bold and italics, every flow is a challenge. I'm the Polish Italian, Irish with papyrus. My style affects all like an open virus. What's understood don't need to be explained. We spoke in silence, built my own alliance off golden tyrants. Hearing police sirens make cold environments. Never sober-minded, we roam as giants. I ain't talking New York, you can call her the sport. We had the jet with them Knicks and left it all on the court. I'm gone, now I'm back for my rightful throne. And I'm feeling comfortable like I'm right at home. Like Rakim, your boy fiend for this microphone. Slice your bones with a flow made of knife and stone. Like Capone, notorious glory. victorious when the story hits. Leader of the matrix, I'm running it like a Morpheus. Cleaning out my closet, the bottom is where the corpses sit. My trap house took in more babies than any orphanage. Fortunate to say I haven't been robbed today, but I know one mistake can crate way to the grave. Flow sharp like a blade with both hands on the gauge. Soon as I hit the stage, the crowd get blown away. Boom, from the womb to the tomb, I cause doom. Heard they mad cause I'm rich and I made it like cartoons. For well and get harpooned or turn into shark food. Mission impossible, clips be exploding like Tom Cruise. You talking to the director, Jigga and the Finessa. Call me Rich the Ruler, but not the type you can measure. For the record, keep the strap by the shoe like a pair of Skechers. Keep my hands on the thing, they think that I'm Uncle Fester. Keep it all in the family, name bigger than Granny Panties. They gon' put me underwear, respect is all they hand me. Feel like Jamie Foxx, I'm chasing everything fancy. Seen your man turn to bitch, she running around with a tranny. That ain't right. We treat blocks like Ray Rice. I was scared that them people would see me like stage fright. If you scared, then go run to the church, live Mace life. I can put you on today, take you out the same night. Welcome to the Apollo, where hecklers is known to follow. The message is in the bottle, see devils with every swallow. Get money at all times, you never live by the motto. That's why you remain broke and try to eat off they loaf and never get you a slice. You better get you a life. 7-Eleven with the dice, incredible on the mic. The pressure can bust a pipe or either make it a diamond. Ask what it did for me, well why you think that I'm shining? Rubies and sapphires, I got jewels for y'all. Boy, you say you got work, but tell me who your boss. You ain't never had it all and had to lose it all. I'm good all by myself no matter who you call. Stand on my own too, won't budge and won't move. Broke records like laws and rules get broke too. How you expect to walk in mine and can't walk in your own shoes? Rappers say shit I heard before like old news. End up on the front page, make money, fuck fame. All the knowledge I received soak in like blood stains. Aim at success, take a shot like a gun range. Never getting upstaged by those that's just playing. On top of the plateau, barrel long as a flagpole. Keep claiming they the best until all of my stats show. Tables turn like bad shows. Got me a cash flow, ironic enough I don't hear shit from these assholes. Constipation at its finest, with 2 clips I'm grinding. From VA to remind them, you think that Pharrell signed them. With no push behind them, the malice just keeps rising. In my projects, they do what I say. I'm like Simon, let the games begin. We came to win, I'm just trying to make a meal. Fuck making friends, they wanna make amends, and I can't pretend. So when he reaches hand out, I'm knocking that man out. Stand out like Green Thumb, my plug, he seeks funds. Fuck with me, cause I always brought it back like reruns. Stuck around like beach bums, until it sees sun. Cause the freaks come out at night like the fiends does. Speak up and get outspoken, with lips on your mouth poking out like a fat ass up and face down stroking. With the cocoa, we made butter like brown lotions, and we would stretch marks that would come and test hard. Pray for a fresh start, and my way out get thinner. I'd rather have home cooking than take out for dinner. Knock steak out to winner, try to hold them like Texas. Never folded in one when I played out the river. They say it's all a gamble, shit too much to handle. Was Kanye West in the projects, I cut samples. Hovered over the water like I wore Jesus sandals. We stepped on the crack, I never broke mama's back. Glad I wasn't superstitious, riding through the trenches. Commonwealth named me to the cross, crucifixion, but never lose ambition. We already grew up vicious, with a couple 100 years to 100 tears. Cheers, it feel like last call. My flow don't have flaws, for paper I'm that raw. Raw Peter to PayPal, broad day with my mask off. Know the deal, what I have in store ain't half off. Retail, cheap scales, did wrong but mean well. Move forward or I have to get at you like emails. CC, you'll see shells, this hammer don't need nails. Bleed like a pussy, you play like a female. Weed smell like cat piss as soon as the pack rip. She claims she don't smoke, well why she got black lips? You know money comes with problems, like ask for some fat hips. Told my girl, I can show you the world like an atlas. Ad-libs is all that matter to the modern day rapper. Same topic, same song, always got the same patterns. Imagine if I get signed and change the game with my rhymes. Guarantee that bullshit won't be able to survive. Say I'm crazy in the mind, but it's a stroke of genius. If I told you my life story, then you won't believe it. When they unfold the creases, I hope you see it. Us just swimming so much denial, you float to Egypt. Pyramids on the barrel, turn you to King Tut. Wrapped up like a mummy, then you'll see you cringe up. Horseshoes on my jeans, I hope that they bring luck. Don't think Buffalo Bill when I keep that thing tucked. Put the lotion on the skin, I'll get the hose again. Chi-town in this game, cause I'm known to win. Slide in my lane and fall like some bowling pins. I'm just running through the lines like they won't defend. It's more points on the board, I'm like Boston George. I studied the art of war, money on the floor. On all the chords, I am sharp as swords. Like a double-edged blades, I'm cut from both rays. Rose fill my bladder, I kill these rappers like Lil Uzi in the vert. I guess it still don't matter. Go tit for tatter, just mix the batter. The way we chase the green is like we blitz the Packers. The rush will keep me going, the end of the the world approaching. Squeeze the trigger till it burn out my fingers like smoking roaches. In the whip, pull it under the seat, it's like Oprah. You couldn't catch you a wave if you stood and faced the ocean. I'm hoping my time comes to shine like 5 suns. Been the best of my city since my daughter wore size 1. Suffolk City, I'm from, a place where time hung over the head of those that never tell a toll. Since 12 years old, all I felt was cold, but these streets are so hot that they can melt your soul. Made $20,000 off of melting gold in the middle of the mall. I really did it all. The white boy done bald like Nash and Larry Bird. In a trap preparing birds like a trap that snare the birds. Every sack kid getting served like Venus and Serena. See through like Aquafina, that's why we don't believe ya. I am my brother's keeper in this New Jack City. Cut the grass for the snakes, but it grew back quickly. You gon' think I'm lying, no, I keep a few cats with me. So as soon as I raise this sword, they're gon' praise the Lord. Ho, overthrown the king, leading the monarch. When I draw and paint blood on the wall, it's not art. The gas that we was passing around was not farts. Real hustler, I'll make money in jail like Bob Barker. Maybe like MJ, call me the sensei. Carry Glocks with a plastic body like Kim K. Don't mean to rub it in, but I feel that you been gay. So when y'all going that way, I gotta go this way. I swear, my commandments like God commanded. Came from the nation of Zulu to rock this planet. Getting it all off my chest, but not like Janet. I take care of them babies like moms with TANF and like Tropicana. I got the juice, this gold chain round my neck is like a rocky noose. I got the house covered, but I'm not the roof. Now the arrogance of money is what got me loose. And like Dr. Seuss, I stay with them 2 things. Thing 1 and thing 2, and a kick like Luke Kane. Your boat like Hussein when I got him like Bruce Wayne. On every track from the shit, my flow like poot stains. Now tell me, do you smell me? The new Machiavelli, better pissed off than pissed on. And I'm like Robert Kelly, butcher in the deli. The money spread like jelly. I control the bars, I could never have a celly. The paraplegic felt me, a miracle lifter, scratching numbers off the pistol. I'm a serial killer. My life is like chess, near Bobby Fischer. I'm such an active pro, I could clear up your pimples. Ain't no fear, never quiver for those that tried to bully. Wait a minute, I don't think you understand fully. 8 Mile with the hoodie, but throwing up is for pussy. Trying to build an empire, so where's my baby cookie? The flow took me to levels I thought that I could never reach. Can't come to the hood with that, you from around the street. Fuck a trip to the dentist, this flossing ain't made for teeth. It was petty with the grands, it was larceny that they speak. Seen officers in retreat, wait out like stakeouts. If we didn't, we would've been out back like a steakhouse. Once they say the truth, speak lies from the same mouth. Every ball's like a Xanny, I popped and blank out. I'm 500 in, like halfway there. Wanna know what the future's like, then just ask Sierra. Smoking, I get high like the atmosphere. Seen sunny days and I can't get on back like Cher. Don't have no fear, I'm here to wreak havoc. Made packs disappear, the plug done seen magic. In the game it's like I'm stuck underground in a cheap casket. Maybe if I dye my hair I'll go mainstream faster. But hey, what does it matter? The best that's done it. Satan like Chris Brown, trying to see if I can run it. Give me a chance to punt it, then my special team's coming. You make it an onside, I prepare for the long dive. Head first, we all grind, sharp ears and sharp eyes. Snatch my style from somewhere amongst the archives. See money in my face like emojis with heart eyes. Like the Grinch, the gifts multiplied my heart size. All rise when I walk in the room like your honor. Respect me when you talking to me like your mama. We strike like piranhas, my flow like katanas. Block hot like Benihana's, you sweat like it's a sauna. Get cleansed, I'm trying to cop a big Benz with 20-inch rims. Make money, forget friends. Thank God he got the courtesy to forgive sins. Cause for the dividends we get dirty like pig pens. This pen like God's finger when he wrote on the tablet. Ever since 21 I was known as a savage. Like the UPS man, I'm home to home with the package. Chase the American woman like I know Lenny Kravitz. Money rule the world like it fooled the world. I can move the world with these jewels and pearls. The game's sick, I can't blame you if you choose the Earl. Plug gave me the type of weight that you can curl. So as soon as the Fed come, I turn the rev run. My flow like the red sun, so come and test one. Smart mouth get you shot backwards like red rum. Murder, first degree, it's your turn to leave. As the moon shines above, you do fly as dove. Why it's when you fall off, it's when you find the love. These two-timing thugs will cruise by with slugs. My crew find the dubs, then you lie like rugs. Persian, close curtains, world just keep turning. They say life a bitch, my mind just get perverted. My blunt continues burning, at times I feel deserted. Am I even the same person I was when my mom birthed me? like King James, get crazy and insane. Eyes big like a junkie when he finds a big vein. Like Gina in the show, I'm living with this pain. And I'm not trying to let my city down like a Knicks game. Not coming for Carmelo, I'm from a large ghetto where the fiends scream over the rock like hard metal. Your pack is full of shake, you giving out all jello. The dreams was always for us to pitch like falsetto. They say music's a drug, if you use it enough. Besides drugs, what else is there to do in the club? We step to the same beat that influenced the grudge. I know what you do for the bread, what would you do for the love? If you need me to call, any reason at all, but always speak on the phone how you speak to the law. I've been fighting all of my life like I'm Steven Seagal. Guess I'm hard to kill, every bar is real. Got a heart of steel on my shoulders the same way. That's why when they set the world up on them, I ain't cave. And as well, the chip on my shoulder, it ain't lays. Ain't no rapper out worthy to share the same stage. Maybe M, Nas, or J, one of the past greats. But all of these new rappers is putting out whack tapes, then they circle dick ride. Tell them they rap great. If rap was a food fight, they couldn't smash a grape. I'll rap circles round them, each verse astounding. My wave come, it'll even have surfers drowning. Once I murk this thousand, no words of doubting should never come at my skill that can burn down houses. I've been pressing my limits each and every sentence. See my patience getting thinner as the tension gets thickening. Corrupted the neighborhood, I feel like Dennis the Menace. Enemies different than my friends that pretend to be with me. I can see the Judas in them, like I see the beauty in them. The elephants in the room, walk in, the mood get different. I tried to tell them the way, but they refused to listen. Both in the same building, but our views was different. Like Drake Project, these numbers you ain't topping. Remember being broke, jeans full of lint, on stage rocking. Now I can pull a couple thousand out the same pocket, either get down or lay down. Beanie off state property, I mean, geez Louise, look at these MCs. You can't find a better rapper from the DMV. Get tricky on the beat, Run DMC. I went to jail at 19 and got my GED. Yeah, my knees is deep in the game, okay. I've been trying to find me a way out and it ain't no way. Been seasoned throughout the season and it ain't obey. So if I ain't eating with you, then I'll take your tray. I'm trying to go from eating noodles to the ham paninis. Trying to go from Honda Civics to the Lamborghinis. Trying to go to the top till you cannot see me. I'm trying to make it in the game. Selling grams is easy. Where's the lamp and genie for these wishes I got? When I die, I hope I'll be remembered like Biggie and Pac. Tell Leo Cajon he should come and give me a shot. As far as white rappers go, I'll take Eminem's spot. 400 more to go as you adore the flow. My corpse and soul won't be ignored no more. I'm trying to tour the globe until the core explode. Whatever is coming for me now is for the Lord to know. I'll go blow for anybody that want it. I'll eat beat for beat till nothing left in my stomach. Just cause you got the emoji don't mean you kept it 100. I'm a veteran in poker, I can tell you was bluffing. Now every discussion ain't meant for virgin ears. That's why I'm talking cold when a new person is near. They pray for my downfall, but I persevere. Just know I mean what I say, every word sincere. When the smoke disappears, tell me who is left standing. Feds dancing top of the topic, left some head scrambling. Cut right hands off, now I'm pitching it left-handed. Turn nothing to something like a sugar bread sandwich. And if you examine the work that I put out, you would see that I got enough dope to feed a drought. Red bottoms on the couch, not the type to stick out. I mean designer shoes, you can't buy them on a discount. The best bottom line, I got declined. If we don't have nothing now, all we got is time. Revenge it tastes sweet, something like Moscato wine. Don't like the way you move, but I can't knock your grind. And now I'm Charles Manson in the twilight dancing. Yeah, we really played the field for this highlight chances. Every day is like Christmas, cause my grind like Santa's. I really took that sack around the world and back. Not to sound paganistic, but baby, I'm on a mission. And I'm not trying to show no drama to all my children. I pray on competition every day like honest Christians. Defy the laws of physics like God was walking with him. I'm blessed to see life, but smoke like peace pipes. I'm grinding each night to keep on these lights. Keep my teeth white, I'm strapped like 3 dice. That's having an orgy at a telly with a cheap price. Think twice, think you slip, it's right on the hip. I might go legit when the white don't exist. My sight on the flip, while the vice on the strip. So I better move cautious, so I have some new losses. Few bosses taught me well, I'm off of the scale. Seen a lot my age range who be lost as hell. Stuff I ain't learned from them, I done taught myself. So when they see me with the bag, I ain't talking Chanel. Hell, I probably am, I ran through a lot of grams like a dirty old man. Fucking everybody fam, done rapping then I throw down the mic like a body slam. Trapping came with more kicks than a Foot Locker can. Damn, the boy mean, been rapping since 14, but still they sleep on me like they popping some Thorazine. When we mixed in that water, it wasn't no chlorine, and it wasn't morphine, but it brought us morphines. I know that shit nasty, you can't get nothing past me. Heard your dog ran back with that info, he like Lassie, sweet like taffy, chopper spit like Daffy. And those that wanna see me in orange, blue, or khaki, exactly, you can't can't match me unless it's a gram. I really live up to everything I said that I am. I walk around with 2 pistols, Yosemite Sam, like the Wild Wild West. Why would you try to test? And clearly I'm the best. Who gon' test these words? From the city where Wu, Syndicate, and Lex to merge. Every bar sound like God, he done blessed the verse. Kill so many beats, you might need an extra hearse. They search high and low to try to find this flow. The gorillas right here, Almighty Joe. Hear new artists and think why they sign them for, but they business is they business. Let me mind my own. I spent time alone in 23 and ones and was only 18. Look at what he's become. I took the cake from under the baker's thumb. I just wanted a piece and he gave me none. I would've took the crumbs, but he was just too stingy. Guess it wasn't enough room for us in this huge city. Move swiftly on the block like I'm Pac with the juice with me. Can't stop, won't stop, I feel like the new Diddy. How come the outcome can never be outdone? Release date got pushed back, something like albums. No, they wonder where the white boy get his clout from. To me, it sound dumb, my heart was found numb. No emotion in the land where they dying from overdosing. Golden moments always cherished, but barely we know the moment. I'm so far ahead of my peers that I'm totem poling, close to floating over eternal fires when souls is roasting. Ayy, I've been the nicest, I stay calm within the crisis. Richie Rich, what I spit is sicker than gingivitis. My click is ISIS, within the cipher it gets enticing. I live exciting, any day I can get indicted. I always knew it, my heart and music. See these scars and bruises, it's all excuses. That's why I get stoned like I saw Medusa. Wrote them blunts so thick it's like I sparked a Cuban. What are you proving, dog? Is they joking? Came in following trends and now your lane closing. When it comes to the keys, I'm a modern day Beethoven. When the club closed down, the trap must stay open. You don't have to know me to know about macaroni. I'm like Chef Boyardee, how I'm cooking the ravioli. See here, I mustache, you would think I had a goatee. Married to the hustle, it's a holy metronome. And goddamn, all of my dogs chop grams, cause that white girl was big out here like Roxanne. All I hear is all eyes on me like Pac plan. So I know they got plans to rob or have hot hands. So if you try it, I introduce violence, which means someone's getting buried like a fruit diet. Go nuts for blue diamonds, my trap, the new Zion. All I got is my product, my question is who buying? Tiger Woods, I was under the influence. They make a big case out of nothing, I've been through it. The game cold B, couldn't bear what I've been brewing. I ain't talking Boston, so walk with caution. I'm no Marky Mark, but it's good vibrations. All around the hood, off this kush I'm caking. The strip gets so hot that it could look like bacon. In the pan with the fork, either turkey or pork. May I continue? Yes I can. You came all this way, well here's an extra grand. I'm like Peter with the pen, and this is Neverland. Bagged this work so fast, they thought I had extra hands. Understand, I was the man on the block with kilos. Calm down, I got hotter than a jalapeno. Got chips, then I dipped, no salsa Fritos. Had a missile in the water like we shot torpedoes. Then I got an ego, Beyonce voice. Had pounds and nines to my name, but not like Royce. Was prepared to get locked and it was not by choice. But shit go wrong in the field, so move on and rebuild. Shit real like diarrhea, I'm rocky inside the freeze. Play with dough like Mamma Mia, make an entire pizza. I'ma be fly to my death like I'm Aaliyah. Got green like a salad, my palace was built for Caesar. As soon as I bogart, they screaming out, oh lord. Rappers is on airplane mode with no bars. Called me a dope charge years ago before y'all's. But still I go hard and live like it's no laws, no flaws, just come correct, bring it back like bubble vest. Head weight, no muscle, but still I come to flex. Yeah, I heard a couple threats, they ain't done nothing yet. Just know I ain't playing with pussies, I want the neck. And I ain't talking sex, get your mind out the gutter. But still I got me a magnum and this kind ain't no rubber. So soon as you dickheads try to rise on a brother, you gon' see the combination all collide with each other. Ooh baby, I'm too crazy, I'm the best that's done it. Plus the kid came to kick it like a pregnant stomach. That discussion's like fuck it, let's get blunted. I get the same feeling every time the feds is coming. Every summer the heat make us get so sinister. In war it's no prisoners, turn to ghost whisperers. Public enemy #1, I'm so Dillinger. Babyface Nelson, we in that pot melting. Money made me selfish, but still I let them eat. Brought my team to the table and said bon appetit. I ain't playing any games, I'm like Chucky with the cheese. Since a juvenile, I've been at 400 degrees. I'm talking early teens when all we had was our dreams. Soon as Freddy Krueger came, it just changed instantly. In the mix like instant tea, you could never miss a beat. You wanna be in the field like us, go get your cleats. It's a never-ending story, but it's starting to bore me. We gave blood, sweat, and tears for the pride and glory. They report me on CNN, it ain't Capone and Nori. Ask me, these MCs is light like poor Georgie. It's self-destruction, brought help for nothing. I beat knowledge in their head until they felt concussions, smelled corruption, and still I dealt them nothing. Like they didn't ante up, or they started standing up. Time to start manning up, or keep your panties tucked. Me and my brothers in the field, feel like we man and cut. God created us from the dirt, with sand and dust, and then women from all rib, but still we ran to lust. Must be a downfall to distract us outlaws. Pop up like ground balls and turn to a hound dog. Spraying up from underground in this game like a groundhog. Still coming out tall, your word just bounce off. Talk, this can't hurt me, pray for the same mercy. We was on the same team and even rocked the same jersey. Vision ain't blurry, I see everything clearly, and clearly my flow will be sick forever like AIDS, herpes. Please don't come near me like Xerxes, I'm godlike. Heard these haters throwing salt on my name like hot rice. Mike Epps and Ice Cube, they calling me top flight. Only thing I'm scared of is God and cop lights. Talking blue and red, you smell me like Sudafed. Better get it through your head or you gon' lose your head. Stand up or lose a leg, my blood is ruby red. You complain when you was Fred, the things we do for cred is crazy. 90s baby, hustle like it's the 80s. I'm on PlayStation with no controller, you can't play me. With work I'm never lazy, white boy like Slim Shady. If my life's a movie, spit magic on mics like Channing Tatum. I'm just setting the vibe to be the best alive. I might testify, but won't testify. They be bugging in the field like pesticide. We already know your moves like the electric slide. Boogie boogie, we came to shook the rookies. They say life's a bitch, I'm sorry I took the pussy. Cut the mushy mushy, we selling them goody goodies. We was on the block with the Girl Scouts, one pushing cookies with more kush than Africa. 50 Cent with massacres, passenger of the Acura. She sucked me like Dracula. Trust me, for that Skrilla, we are Kodak blacking ya. More balls than Attica, nothing is coming after me. They speaking blasphemous upon my name. They say life is like chess and you a pawn in the game. Got that pep in my step, I ain't walking the same. The fire inside my stomach spark my heart and my brain. Time to burn it down, my turn is now. We point 30s when it's beef like some perks around. Kanye said they write curses in cursive now. It's hard to walk a straight path when the earth is round. I heard the owl ask, who was I? Time waits for none right now, it's do or die. Jim Jones with the juice, you take it as suicide. Shit was all fun and games till somebody lose an eye. Be thankful you alive, cause these are the last days. Came up off of cash money like I'm Mac Main. But money the root of all evil, just ask Wayne. Either rapper or shouters, I'm always done data. With more bills than Cosby, check the pudding for proof. I glanced inside the mirror just to look for the truth. Told him hop in the back seat and pulled up in coupes. This is a built for two, I conceal my moves. When I'm feeling blue, I look for true color shit. When I'm feeling blue, I'm talking about blue hundreds. If I slap you in the face right now, you'll do nothing. Cold world, had them dread slide on you like Cool Runnings. If I pull these strings, then your hood gon' lean. Keep the steel in my hand just like Wolverine. X-Men out of their spot, it was took from me. The block, MacArthur Mall, we just looked for cream. For real, they should've seen how I was as a teenager. The work had a low price on it like cheap labor. You front it to me now, I'll bring it back a week later. Paul Walker, Chris Brown, T.I., we takers. And they just fake it and knock off designer. When you ballin', you Bobcats, but not Carolina. On blocks with us grinders, hope you got a pair of pliers. Cause if you don't get a grip, then you are bound to slip. We turn ounces to bricks and flip like acrobats. Smoke like cataracts, old school like Cadillacs. Or maybe Cabbage Patch, either way we have to trap. Something like a chain smoker, we running through pack to pack. Like Drizzy gets back to back, I'm talking to re-ups. I get rid of that bitch like my car done got keyed up. And still looking for change like I parked by the meter. I made all my dogs wolves, I ain't talking to Ketas. Mixed breed, we ride like 6 speeds. Made music, but I stay with the keys like Swiss Beats. Pistol, well, had your grill red like lip reads. Every day I'm a rehab junkie, I get clean, no sleep, big dreams, still I dig deeper. I slap the Grim Reaper with both of my dick beaters. You gon' pay a pretty penny, you want you a rich feature. Someone call Nas and tell him the white boy spit ether. I got myself a gun, cut the tip of my tongue. Shoot out words so lethal, they'll kill someone. I'm still not a player in this game like Big Pun. No label, imagine what I'll do when I'm part of one. I'm made from God's image, the flow is God-given. Remember preparing swoles in the jail on job listings. Growing up, I'd not listen on those on the block riffing on what we should do different, cause they was not different. But still, they was right in the game, you pay the price. Lot of cats play big, but they don't got their gravy right. Me, I shake the dice, find out what the fame was like. Now I'm shooting for success, every shot I make precise like Curry shooting a 3. Who's stupid like me? The money, power, respect, what's influenced the greed? All the rumors and the gossip sound like music to me. All it does is increase sales on my newest CDs. Got a bird view of the streets, drugs lifting my soul. Vatican with the flow, because I'm sitting on gold. I just stick to the strip when God give me my role. Like fresh gum in the street, the pain stick to my soul. Watch your step, Even Subway's not this fresh. My flow is so underground it got rotten flesh. Close your mouth, I've seen plenty cats shot for less. We so deep on the block, they think it's Project X. I'm like Rocky on the steps, preparing for the fight. I got my bags packed, I'm preparing for the flight. Like Seagull, I can feel it in the air like every night. I'm a legend when I'm gone, to compare me to Wonder Mikes. Jordan, Jackson, or maybe I'm Tyson. I drop 1,000 balls, I know you gonna like one. I've been praying for that chance, now I'm ready, it might come. But even if it don't, my youngin' is steer the boat. I'll pass the torch when I'm passing off. The flow is Tabasco sauce and you cats is lost. Fuck the back and forth, I don't have remorse. At one point I had a source, but it crashed its course. Now if rap is sport, I'm the rookie of the year. Like the repo man, I throw my hood up in the air. It's lion, tigers, bears in these woods, you looking scared. All I fear is God, never shook and never scared. I got it from here, this flow can pack stadiums. From VA, but don't know what my mind state is in. We went nuts with the white like macadamians. On the same cheek, the money it tastes sweet. All in the same week, you can get it and lose it all. Get robbed for everything, face down like who to call. Late nights, we would hit up you pussies like booty calls. Superman, we look through everything, even through the walls. 100 bars left, this is what you call death. I ain't done with y'all yet, this time it's all net. Don't know how being pussy feels, like I never had raw sex. That's why my name jump in these streets like frog steps. Really, I'm in Frogger, push keys like bloggers. Fit a couple grand in these all black joggers. The cheese done went to my head like Aaron Rodgers. I would eat any rapper alive, I'm Jeffrey Dahmer. Somebody called Drama to host my mixtape. We turned to trapaholics, then we got our shit straight. Every line I throw out, gonna catch them like fish bait. I can only be the turtle or hare in this race. Rich great like Frosted Flakes, you know Tony the Tiger. Turn nothing into something, with dope I'm MacGyver. I sit over the fire with the open suppliers. They hit notes like the choir and spoke through the wire. Still I'm posted on flyers in these project halls. Verizon 4G don't even got these balls. Police they wanna see me locked like jaws. Can go to the edge of the earth and not fall off, you feel me? Really Richie on a whole nother level. My block is so hot, I sold dope to the devil. 38 got a nose like Pinocchio, Geppetto. It ain't no flowers in my hood, but I rose from the ghetto. Esco, roll the weed, at the Port de Lean. My flow is hot dog, where's the pork and beans? Fuck TV, I got my news report from fiends. And I also got soldiers that report to me. We military minded, I shine like blood diamonds. I could never build with those that stuck in one-minded. Two sides to every coin, it could never be one-sided. The revolution is coming, I can feel the uprising. It's time for Armageddon, counting up all my blessings. Yesterday you was broke, whose drugs is y'all stretching? Got some homies doing time, feel like they've been gone forever. Keep your head above water, I promise it all get better. Feel like Biggie with the sweater, Pop with the tattoos, Malcolm X with the glasses, Wu-Tang cause cash rules. Told my team I hate to be the bearer of bad news. You know, bad news bears, I do what I have to. Never was a bad dude, just made bad decisions. Cash I'm getting turned me to a mathematician. Feds see how dope I am, they send my ass to prison. Case is, these other rappers all lack conviction. Court adjourned. One day I hope they learn. Every bar so hot, when you hear it, your soul gon' burn. That's why I'm so concerned. Penalty is spoken word. Can flip the game around, but the ruling was overturned. Now it sound like football. Blue-headers get shook off. Seen him and took off. He seen me and took off. Running. The whole hood seen it. He looked soft like a Tempur-Pedic. I bet was sleeping. Now that I rested up, let me check for crust. Wipe my eyes, brush my teeth, all that extra stuff. All those that switch sides is now dead to us. I don't need nothing from you. I'm blessed enough. My words is like God, I serve the right God. Since the Garden of Eden, he cursed you pythons. I be all in my bag when they turn the mic on. Rap like I'm speaking in tongues, it needs to be done. This shit easy as hell, only see me prevail. Libras ain't the only one that's known to keep them a scale. A Gemini, say I'm two-faced, deceiving, oh well. That just means I got enough eyes to see that you frail. Like Keenan and Kel, we sold Knicks at night. They claim they all that, but couldn't get back right. The bars I break off ain't the Kit Kat type. Belt in my hand like I'm trying to make some kids act right. The champ with ill rhymes, don't let the real die. Many fresh on that big time of shit and still fly. The rules I live by ain't the ones they live by. Think they on next Friday, they will lie. Ask Hova, we taking the rap over. Steal my lines, your mouth get twisted like crack smokers. Top off on a coupe so long, made flat soda. The type of bread we had won't made for Passover, unleaving. no lemon, we just squeezing. In this game, my name got heavy like pun breathing. I'm succeeding like hoes that suck semen. I came from out the mud, I done dealt with enough leeches. Upstream with no paddle, king of no castle. In the field with the sack, the QB done got tackled. Rap is my meal ticket that I need for the raffle. Before they see me in coops, they'd rather see me in shackles. I'm baffled, they hating on me, the world been waiting on me. Feel like my birthday, you see up all this cake up on me. Unplug a fitness instructor, he throw that weight up on me. I know that boy a clown, I can see the makeup on him. It feel like a circus. Who writes your verses in a hood full of snitches? Damn right I'm nervous. I feel like AI, I don't like rehearsing. What I write is perfect, it might get worse. Searching for that bread, I stand on my last leg. The fiends look half dead, I'm still by that ledge. Flow is so sick, it done turned to the black plague. Rode the magic carpet all of the way to the last thread. Now, since that said, we about to ball. The game of virgin, I'm here to knock down the walls. Every line I spit out is like an ounce of raw. I came from 1,000 grams to 1,000 balls. Rich.